Ever wondered how some people are quietly running real manufacturing businesses, with no factories, no warehouses, and no huge investments? What if a garage or spare room was all it took to start producing products that actually sell? In today's video, we're revealing 10 compact machines from China that allow you to manufacture real, sellable products from home. No warehouse. No industrial setup. Just smart machines that fit into garages and small workshops, and still generate serious income. These aren't side hustles or online tricks. These are real production machines used to make everyday items like straps, wooden products, food, packaging, and precision repairs. I'll break down exact machine costs, show you how each one works, and explain where the real profits come from, including machines that can pay for themselves in just a few months. If you've ever thought about starting a manufacturing business without renting a factory, or turning your garage into a quiet income engine, watch till the end, because one of these machines might be exactly what you're looking for. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not provide professional or financial advice. 10. Jewelry Laser Welding Machine, Precision Repair Machine. A jewelry laser welding machine performs ultra-precise repairs on gold, silver, platinum, and other metals. The operator places the jewelry under a microscope, positions the joint, and triggers a laser pulse that melts the metal exactly where needed, without damaging stones or surrounding areas. These machines typically cost between $3,500 and $8,000, depending on power and features. Operating costs are extremely low, with no need for solder and only minimal electricity consumption. Most jewelry repairs take just 3 to 5 minutes, and customers commonly pay $20 to $50 per repair. Completing only 10 repairs per day can generate $200 to $400 in daily revenue, making this one of the fastest return machines for service-based businesses, especially when working with local jewelers or direct customers. 9. Strap Weaving Machine, Nylon Webbing Machine. This machine produces the strong nylon webbing you see on backpacks, luggage, safety harnesses, pet leashes, and cargo straps. Multiple spools of nylon yarn are fed into a weaving head, where the threads are tightly interlaced under tension to create a flat, durable strap. Once the machine is set up, it runs continuously with minimal supervision, making it ideal for small workshops or even garages. A basic strap weaving machine costs between $3,500 and $5,000, depending on speed and strap width. The raw material, nylon yarn, is very cheap. Producing 1 meter of webbing usually costs just 5 cents to 10 cents. That same meter can sell wholesale for 50 cents to $1.20, and even more for custom colors or widths. In practical terms, a small operator producing and selling 1,000 meters per week can generate $400 to $800 in gross profit, meaning the machine can often pay for itself within 2 to 4 months. Custom orders are where the real money is, because large factories usually reject small batches. 8. Hot Cutter Machine, Strap Sealing Machine. The hot cutter machine works hand in hand with the strap weaving machine. As the woven strap passes through, a heated blade cuts it to length while instantly sealing the edges. This heat sealing prevents fraying and gives the strap a professional, finished look. These machines are compact and affordable, typically costing $200 to $400, with almost no operating cost besides electricity. While the hot cutter doesn't directly produce revenue, it significantly increases the value of each strap. Instead of selling raw rolls, you can sell ready-to-use, cut and sealed straps, which often increases selling prices by 20 to 40%. In many cases, this small machine pays for itself in just a few days of production. 7. CNC Wood Turning Machine / CNC Wood Lathe. A CNC wood lathe automates the production of symmetrical wooden items like stair spindles, candle holders, rolling pins, tool handles, and furniture legs. You mount a wood blank, load a digital design, and the machine precisely carves the piece with perfect consistency. Entry-level CNC wood lathes usually cost between $2,500 and $6,000. The cost of raw wood and electricity per item is often under $1, while finished products sell for $3 to $10, depending on the design and type of wood. If you're producing just 100 pieces per day with an average profit of $3 per item, that's around $300 per day, or $6,000 plus per month, making this one of the most reliable machines for small-scale manufacturing. 6. Laser engraving machine, for wood marking. Laser engraving takes ordinary wooden products and turns them into premium, personalized items. The machine uses a focused laser beam to burn names, logos, or artwork directly into the wood surface, no physical contact, no wear on tools. A desktop CO2 laser engraver suitable for wood costs between $1,500 and $4,000. Each engraving takes only seconds and costs just a few cents in electricity. A wooden item that sells for $4 can often sell for $8 to $12 once engraved. That means engraving alone can add $4 to $8 profit per item, making laser engraving one of the fastest return investments. Many small businesses recover the full machine cost within 30 to 60 days, especially during gift seasons. 5. Sawdust briquette press machine. Instead of throwing away sawdust, this machine compresses it into dense fuel briquettes used for fireplaces, barbecue grills, and industrial heating. The sawdust is dried if needed and then pressed under high pressure, no chemical binders required. Small to medium briquette press machines cost between $3,000 and $8,000. The biggest advantage here is raw material cost, which is often free if sourced from woodworking shops. Operating costs are mainly electricity and labor. Briquettes typically sell for $120 to $200 per ton, and even small setups can produce several tons per month. This creates a steady side income while also solving a waste problem, making it one of the smartest ways to monetize leftovers from other woodworking operations. 4. Pasta making machine. A pasta making machine allows you to produce fresh noodles like spaghetti, fettuccine, or penne with consistent quality and speed. The process starts by adding flour, water, and eggs into the mixing chamber. The machine kneads the dough automatically, presses it through shaping dies, and cuts it into uniform portions. Some models also allow flavor customization by adding spinach, beetroot, or squid ink to create premium pasta varieties. Small commercial pasta machines typically cost between $1,200 and $3,500, depending on output and automation level. The ingredients are inexpensive, usually 60 cents to 80 cents worth of raw materials per kilogram of pasta. Fresh pasta often sells for $4 to $8 per kilogram, especially at farmers markets, specialty stores, or through home delivery. Even producing just 20 to 30 kilograms per day can generate $100 to $200 in daily gross profit, making this machine ideal for food-focused small businesses. 3. Fiber laser cleaning machine, rust removal machine. The fiber laser cleaning machine removes rust, paint, oil, and oxidation from metal surfaces without chemicals, abrasives, or sandblasting. The machine emits a focused laser beam that vaporizes unwanted layers while leaving the base metal untouched. There's no dust, no grinding noise, and no consumables, just clean metal in seconds. Entry-level portable fiber laser cleaning machines cost around $7,500 to $9,000. Operating costs are extremely low, limited to electricity. The real value comes from service-based income. Rust cleaning services typically charge $40 to $60 per small auto part and $70 to $100 per hour for industrial or marine jobs. Completing just 3 to 4 jobs per day can bring in $200 to $400 daily, allowing the machine to pay for itself in a few months while serving local workshops and repair businesses. 2. Barbed wire making machine. A barbed wire making machine produces fencing wire used in agriculture, construction, and security. The machine feeds 2 steel wires, twists them together, and automatically wraps sharp barbs at fixed intervals. The finished barbed wire is then rolled into coils ready for transport and installation. These machines typically cost between $4,000 and $10,000, depending on speed and automation. Steel wire is the main raw material and is purchased in bulk at low cost. One coil of barbed wire can cost $15 to $20 to produce and sell for $30 to $50, depending on local demand. With steady orders from farms and fencing contractors, small operators can earn $2,000 to $4,000 per month in net profit, especially in regions where imported wire has become expensive due to tariffs. 1. Paper straw making machine. Paper straw machines are in high demand as plastic bans push businesses toward eco-friendly alternatives. The machine feeds narrow rolls of food-grade paper, applies edible glue, wraps the paper tightly around a mandrel, cuts the straw to length, and stacks it automatically. Compact paper straw machines cost between $3,000 and $6,000. Raw material costs are low, and a single machine can produce thousands of straws per day. The cost to produce one paper straw is typically 1 cent to 2 cents, while wholesale selling prices range from 3 cents to 6 cents per straw. Supplying cafes, restaurants, and beverage brands can easily generate $1,500 to $3,000 in monthly profit, with demand increasing year after year due to environmental regulations. And that's the real takeaway from today's video: you don't need a factory, a warehouse, or a massive budget to start manufacturing. With the right machine, a small space, and a clear idea of who you're selling to, a garage or spare room can turn into a serious income source. If this video opened your eyes to what's possible, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next breakdown. In the next videos, I'll be sharing exact suppliers, startup tips, and real strategies to turn these machines into profitable businesses. Comment below which machine surprised you the most, or which one you'd start with, and I'll see you in the next video.